It's Edward Draffin. I'm the General Manager overseeing the sales function here at MPI Automotive. We're a manufacturer, wholesaler of the Manager Performance range of exhaust systems. So we've got a pretty broad client base across Australia and New Zealand. The main customer is sort of like resellers that fit the product to the end users. So a lot of sort of performance workshops, four-wheel drive upgrade shops. Most of our customers are repeat customers. Our business is built on customer loyalty, and we've been expanding fairly aggressively over the last 5 years. We were a pretty small team. We didn't have much structure to what we were doing. We were fairly under the pump, just literally responding to customer demand. But I could see that you might say the COVID craziness wasn't going to last forever, and we had to get on the front foot and really get our sales process sorted if we were to maintain the growth that we had sort of during the COVID period. So sales weren't really our problem when we kicked off, but we're certainly glad that we've put in place what we have today. Really, we started with just boiling it down to really getting our lead measures sorted. So we've got pretty good measures of our of our revenue. So we know what comes out the bottom, but we didn't really know what drives that. So our foundation workshop, where we really sat down and said, right, what's our target? What do we need to do to achieve that in terms of recurring and new revenue? How much do we lose due to churn each year? Factor all of those in, come up with a figure that we needed for new business, and then break that down into how many new customers do we need to get, what do they spend on average, and then boil that down into how many prospects do we need to contact and take through the sales cycle to then result into a sale when they become a customer. So really involved breaking all our numbers back to what activities we needed to drive to achieve the result. And I guess really it's been quite a battle, I guess, just to bring the team along in that regard, as far as getting them activity focused rather than just sales, results focused. So really getting everyone around what they need to do to drive the result, and then making sure that happens. I think over the last 18 months that we've been doing the program, the market has certainly softened. We're hearing a lot of our competitors are down, they're hurting, but we haven't seen that happen. We've basically had positive growth year on year over the last 2 years. So for us, I think the proof is in the pudding. We're bucking the trend in an industry that's not going gangbusters. Any growth that we get as a company is a result of customer acquisition. It's not the market increasing. And, we're still on a pretty good growth trajectory at the moment. And in fact, our lead times are now at the lowest they've ever been. So we're in a really good position for being able to keep our customers happy. If you're looking to, really streamline and get clarity on your whole sales process, it's a lot of work. So don't just think you can just turn up and they're going to do it all for you. They certainly do get you to knuckle down and implement. So you got to approach it with a GSD mindset. But if you're prepared to put the work in and really implement what's proposed and get on board, then you'll 100% prosper. And as we all know, it's sales that leads the business. So if you want your business to move ahead, we'll get on board.